Hey everyone, welcome back to Coyote Loot Crate, where I discuss all things gold and silver. This week is the first monthly video on my recent purchases in precious metals. I will leave the links to my dealers in the description below. I'm not endorsed or sponsored by any of the dealers I use, they are purely ones I trust and have used for a while. So without further ado, let's fire on. So this month, I split my budget quite comfortably between gold and silver. For silver, I've been quite drawn to the latest design from the Royal Mint, which is the new Robin Hood coin. It's the first in a Myths and Legends series that the Royal Mint have started doing. The famous fable of Robin Hood in Sherwood Forest, him and his companion Little John, they lead the march on the notorious Sheriff of Nottingham, who has been sort of in charge of the Nottingham Kingdom while Richard of Lionheart is away and is keeping the heroine and love interest of Robin Hood, Maid Marian, captive. And so it's the battle of Robin Hood to save the town from the overwhelming taxes that the sheriff is putting upon them. And yeah, everyone knows the story. It's world renowned. There's plenty of adaptations from the Disney version to the one with Kevin Costner. I think it was the 1990s, and I think there was a recent one with was it Russell Crowe? There's obviously, I think, the what's his name, the Mel Brooks version as well, Men in Tights, another classic. So yeah, I'm quite excited to see what other coins will come out in this series, but the first one here is the Robin Hood, and I have to say I really like the design. He's got his bow and arrow, and he's got his hood up, and he's in the trees, of no doubt one of the trees in Sherwood Forest. So yeah, it's quite an apt design to put on a precious metals coin. And for gold this month, I just went for a 10 gram a Swiss metal ore bar, and it's just again what I was kind of working within my budget. I knew I wanted to buy some gold, and I just wanted to see what I could get for it. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Hopefully, as we're sort of seeing over the last week or so, the price of gold has been dropping. I may be in a position next month to buy something a little bigger, or maybe buy a couple of the same size bar. But again, I'll wait till I get to that point before I purchase. And for silver, just dropping back, I might get some more of these Robin Hoods. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, I really like them. I really like the design. But again, I sort of see what there is and just sort of go for what takes my fancy. But no, my collection is coming along quite comfortably. It's certainly come a long way since I started earlier at the beginning of the year. And I'm hoping by the end of the year that I reach my target of 100 ounces of silver and hopefully 2.5 ounces of gold. That's kind of the metric I've set myself to try and reach by December 31st. So yeah, that's my video just for today, guys. It's just a quick update on my recent purchases, and if you guys maybe yourselves have bought the Robin Hood coin, leave a comment in the section below to tell me what you think about the coin, what you maybe think one of the next coin designs might be in the series for Myths and Legends, or just maybe some of your favorite designs that the Royal Mint have done over the last couple of years. Because there are plenty of them. The Queen's Beast series is fantastic, and there's still plenty of those designs I want to pick up myself. Alright, well, that's all from me today, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!